Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to introduce you to my latest kit, which is in my Etsy store, Sunny Creates, and I shall leave the link down below. And this kit is called Strawberry Pickings, and it's got 33 pages in it. So let's look at it. Okay, so we've got 6 main pages. That's the first one. Okay. And then page number 2. Okay. And this is page number 3. To be honest with you, I don't know which is my favorite pages because I just love all of them. 4. So it's a little bit different for me. I've tried to incorporate a little bit of grunge, but I also wanted to keep the kit quite what's this word I'm looking for, bright and cheery. Okay, so that's page number 3. I think that's, no, that was 4, and that's page number 5. So there's a lot of writing space on the kit itself, and then obviously when I do it, then I will add more writing space because you know that I like to journal. And that's the last page, which is number 6. So nice bold designs and the red and green coming out nicely there. And then this here is going to be the kit where I've got, you know, where I've put double pages, 2 on a page. So that's going to be that. I'm going to try and keep it in frame here. So one of that, the second one of that, because there's 6 pages, so 2 per page, that makes it 3. Okay, and then there's the third one here. So they do work well for booklets and stuff like that that you want in your page, in your what you call it, in your journal. Now I've got 3 collage pages. I think you know the format of my kits now. So there's 1, and then 2. This is a very nice bright page. 2, and there's the third one here. That's page number 3 for the collage. And then I did 2 pattern pages. You can use it, this one you can use as it is, or you can actually cut out individuals of this and you know, use them. Now this is because I printed borderless, and also I my paper setting was not too right, so normally I will print that one not borderless. Okay, and then there's the second pattern page here, and then our 4 journal cards that we normally will find in my kits. Right. And our 4 pockets with 2 side pockets and 2 mid pockets. And then you've got your 3 7.5 by 15 centimeters journaling cards there, or tags, but I've got a 4th one as well. And then there's the little ones as well here. Okay, so there's 9 ephemera pages altogether. That's a mini file folder there with some labels which you can write in or stamp in. We've got our circles and then our little circles as well. And our coin envelopes, 2 coin envelopes here. And here we used to have sayings, but I thought let's turn them around and put some images there so that we can use them as dangles if we want to. There's the 4th journaling card here. and our 2 postcards and just a little bit of images there that you can use. But the kit allows you to cut out so much of the images and use that I just thought 4 of those would be enough. And then here, oh dear, did I print? Oh no, so there's 5, 7.5 by 15. Okay, some writing space over there, and then just some little ads over here that we can cut out and, you know, tuck in as our ephemera. My famous bingo card with our tabs here, and also whale tail on that side, and then just 3 of these scalloped you know, circles or whatever. And I tried, and then there's just some labels or some just word tags. I tried to make, I wanted to go for a very cute look, because the images were beautiful that I used. So I wanted to show off those images. And there's our big envelope over here. And now you will see the background pages. I did them in 3 colors, a light blue, a red, and a green. So I've got gingham here, and red. And these colors will work with the kit because I took the colors straight from the kit. So they work perfectly with the kit, except the blue. Just thought the blue looked nice. And there's our polka dots. I mean, you can't have strawberries without polka dots, right? There. That one there. Sure. So I'm looking at this. This will lend itself nicely to the Christmas as well. These colors. Okay. Oh. Okay, and these are they are a bit different because this is on a green background, and then you will find like on a white. So I flip them around. So the blue one, the red one, and then the green one. And I like giving extra of these background pages because you can use them in other kits as well. And there's the blue, and it's got little stitch lines going down on each side of the bigger bands. And then please forgive me because my paper went totally off over here and skewed, so the lines didn't come out straight, but they are straight. It's just that my paper was not right, and I didn't want to reprint it. So there's the green, and there's the red. So you're getting 33 pages in all, and it consists of 6 main pages. And let's just put this right. 6 main pages, 3 pages of the 6 pages, but we printed 2 to a page of the main pages. You're getting 2 pattern pages, 3 collage pages. I think there's 12 background pages, and 9 pages of ephemera. So it is a huge kit, but you know I do huge. And it's going to be in my Etsy store, and I believe that when I list it, I'm going to list it at 20% off for maybe a month. So that is going to be there, or 3 weeks, I'm not sure, 3 weeks to a month, okay, up until my next kit comes out. So go in there, get yourself this kit, and this will definitely be my next journal, or maybe one of the journals that I'm going to work on next, because I'm super excited to work with this kit over here. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that goes onto my Etsy store and purchases my kits. They really help me to not eat into my funds, and to be able to buy images and pay for my you know, my licenses, etc., that I use in order to be able to design these kits. I really want to thank you, because without that, I don't think it would be possible for me to continue with this passion of designing these kits. And I hope that you really like it. And that is the reason why I have big kits and I have them pretty cheap, because it's value. I want to give out value for money while making a small profit as well. So thank you for your support, and thank you for those people that don't go onto my Etsy as well, but contact me from a South African perspective and support me as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Do take care and have a blessed day. By the time this video goes up, this kit will be listed on my Etsy store. Thank you. Bye-bye.